Good morning children. As you have seen in previous video that the formula of area and perimeter, how to find the perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B and perimeter of a square 4 into side. And you have seen that area of a rectangle is equal to L into B and area of a square side into side. But the unit will be, when we are finding the area, then it will be square unit, and when we are finding the perimeter, then its unit will be only unit, single unit, because it is a length only. Perimeter means the length. So be careful about the unit also. Now in question number 1 from exercise 11.1, you will read the question from your book, where the length of a rectangular piece of land whose length and breadth is given. Length is given 500 meter and breadth is given 300 meter. What you have to find here? You have to find the area of the land, and next you have to find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost rupees 10,000. So to find the cost, you have to find the area of the land. Now, as because it is a length and breadth are different measurements, so you have to find the area of a rectangle. So area of the land, solution, area of the land equal to length into breadth, that is 500 into 300 meter square or square meter, same thing. Now 15, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 square meter or meter square. This is the area of the land. Now cost of the land. Question number 1 answer is this one. Now number 2, cost of the land. Cost of the land at the rate of 10,000 per meter square is rupees 10,000 into 15 tens 100,000 10,000 15,000 1,50,000 square meter. So it is this is the amount is required for the land, rupees 15. Now how many zeros will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 tens 100, 1,000 10,000, lakh 10 lakh, crore 150 crore. That means the cost of the land is 150 crore. This is the answer. Next question is question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. When it is a square park, then its perimeter means 4 into side, as we have discussed in the video. So perimeter of a square 4 into side is equal to perimeter of a square. Therefore 4 into side is equal to 320. Now we need to find side only. Side is equal to 320 by 4. 4 was multiplied here, so 4 will be divided here. 4 8 is a 32, 80. Therefore side of the square equal to 80 meter. Now you have to find the area of the square. Therefore area of the square equal to side into side, that is 80 into 80 square meter. 88 just 6400 square meter. This is the second answer. This is the answer only, because you have to find the area of the square park whose perimeter was given. When perimeter is given, how to find the area? First you need to find the side, then you can find the area. Now question number 3 and 4 similar, so I am doing question number 4 only. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and also find its area. So when the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is given, when perimeter of a square sheet was given, you know the formula is 4 into side equal to perimeter of a square. But when the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is given, then we know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. But we can say that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B equal to perimeter of a rectangle is it? Then its length is given, so breadth we don't know, so we have to find the breadth. Now 2 breadth, this is unknown, and 2L means 2 into 35 plus 2B is equal to perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is given 100 centimeter. Now can we write 70 plus 2B is equal to 100. As length was given 35, so putting the value of length, we got 2 into 35, that is 70 plus 2B. Now 2B is equal to 100 minus 70, that is 2B is equal to 30. Now to find the value of B, what you will do, 30, 2 was multiplied here, so 30 by 2, it is 50. Therefore the breadth is B is equal to 15. Therefore breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. Now to find the area of the rectangle. Now the area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. Now the value of length is 35 and breadth is 15, and it is, as the unit is centimeter, so unit of area will be square centimeter. Now multiply this value. Now multiply the value, we get that 525 square centimeter. Understood? Now as the question number C, you can do it by your own. See the question. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is given 440 meter square and its length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Then when the area is given, that means L into B is given. In this formula, if length is missing, then you can find area by breadth. Area by breadth, you can find length. Or when breadth is missing, then you can find breadth is equal to area by length. So use this idea and you have to find the solution of question number 3. Thank you, students.